Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is AG Update. So in this video I'm going to introduce a way you can learn programming for free if you are in Nigeria. So you don't need to have any background skills. With this program that is coming up in Nigeria in several states, you can learn programming for free: Python language, JavaScript, how to create websites, and a lot more. So the name of this program that is coming up is LEARN2EARN, and it is currently in Benue State, currently in Abuja, currently coming to Port Harcourt. The check-in for Port Harcourt is going to be March, so they are going to do a 1-month trial. When you pass the 1-month trial, then you are going to be enrolled into the program, and this is a program that you don't need to pay a dime, so it is completely free. So the program is going to hold for 18 months. So this is not an ad. I shared this update recently with my community in Telegram, so I decided to make this video in order to explain it better, because a lot of you don't understand. So you are not paying anything, you're not paying school fees or any fees at all. It's going to hold for 18 months. So first of all, for you to get in, you need to register with them. You need to register with them, then play the game. So there is a game you need to play. Once you pass the game, then you are going to be eligible to come for the 1-month trial, where they are going to set a date. For Port Harcourt one is going to start March. So check-in going to start March. So if you are in Port Harcourt, you can choose this option to play the game. And when you pass, you put down your necessary information, NIN, and the rest. Everything needs to correspond. Then they are going to send you an invite for you to come for a design. So it's going to hold for 1 month. After that 1 month, they are going to use that means to check if truly you are going to be enrolled into their campaign or their program. If you were selected to be among the program, then they are going to schedule a date when the program is going to start. Every month also, they are going to be giving you some little transport fare. There is some stipend for you to at least use it to full conscience for that month. So I think the stipend is like 100k or so. So the program is worth it, at least for free. For you to learn programming in Nigeria or online or anywhere, at times some company will ask for you to pay like 1 million and the rest. At the end, it's still worth it. But this one is free, and they are going to be the one after you graduate to enroll you into works, bring work for you, and the rest. So it is worth doing. Those of you depending on crypto now, because the crypto market is completely trash. Sorry for saying this. I'm still into crypto. I trade, but it's also good you learn a skill. Learn a skill and bring it into the blockchain. Learn a skill and help your daily life. Those of you that are in Nigeria already know the situation of the country, so you can go and read the 4 years course and the rest. At the end they'll tell you can work anywhere, you don't even have a work. But this campaign is going to help you to have your own skills. You can apply. You at the end self is people that are even like be rushing you if you are good. So you need to be good. Nobody say you go just learn programming also or any language, come good. You need to be good for people to rush you, and these people, they are going to shape you to be good. So 2 of my guys currently are in Abuja. Abuja have started. The one in Benue State has started, and I think the one in Lagos has started. Ilori has started. I don't know. Very soon it is coming to Jos also. If you're in Jos, it is coming. Anambra, and I think some other state as well. It is going to hold very soon. But the next one that is coming up is Port Harcourt. So Port Harcourt one is coming up very soon. So you can still register. For those of you that have not registered and you're in Port Harcourt, you can register so that you can get a mail from them inviting you to come for check-in. You just need to check in, then you're good to go. You stay with them for 1 month, participating in the trial. Once you are good, they do their selection. You write maybe a minor exam, they do the selection, then you can enroll in their campaign. And the one in Benue State, they have accommodation for that one. So, but the rest no accommodation. The one in Abuja, you don't need to come from home. So just make sure to participate in this campaign instead of depending on Web3, because Web3 now is trash. Although, like I said, I'm still in Web3 and I'm still addicted to the game. there's any opportunity, I'm going to inform you guys. But for now, those of you that don't have anything doing and depending on airdrop or blockchain or a few trades on the rest, learn a skill. When you learn a skill, you bring it back to the blockchain. It's going to help you in the long run. So I just say that you share this update. I'm not affiliated with them. It's a program that I also am going to participate in. I registered already. I'm going to participate in. So like I say, very soon it's coming to Jos, it's coming to Kaduna and the other states and the rest. So you don't need to go through their website, everything, and check also. So I hope it's going to be worth it at the end if you are serious with it. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.